Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a PayPal payment button and add it to your website. Your customers can pay you directly using a credit card, debit card, or even their PayPal account. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a PayPal business account. If you haven't created one yet, go ahead and set that up before continuing. It only takes a few minutes. Once that's done, you'll be able to add payment buttons or send invoices with PayPal's built-in Pay Now option, which makes it super easy for customers to complete their payments instantly. Now, open your browser and go to paypal.com. From the PayPal homepage, log in using your email address and password. Once you're inside your account, look at the top menu and select Merchant Services. You'll see a button that says Create Payment Buttons for your website. Let's go ahead and click that dot. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your button. There's a drop-down menu that lets you choose the type of button you want to create. Options include Buy Now, Add to Cart, Donate, and more. After you pick your button type, fill out the product or service details. If you're selling a physical product, make sure to include any shipping costs or tax information so the final price your customers see is accurate. At the bottom of the page, PayPal also gives you some extra options. Things like tracking inventory, customizing your checkout experience, or adding your company logo to the button. Once you've entered everything and you're happy with how it looks, click Create Button. Now, PayPal will generate a box of HTML code for you. This code is what you'll need to place your button on your website. Simply copy and paste that code into the HTML section of your web page where you want the Up button to appear. If you're not familiar with editing HTML, don't worry. You can always send that code to your web developer, and they'll easily be able to add it for you. Once the button is placed and your page is updated, your customers can click it and pay you directly through PayPal, and that's it. Your PayPal payment button is live and ready to accept payments online. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more easy online business tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.